Digital currencies have progressively saturated the standard awareness and gotten forward movement. Be that as it may, a significant number of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for the sake of entertainment. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2023. As per the Axie Vastness Cost Examination, the base cost of Axies will be around $6.09 in 2023. The greatest value that the Axies can reach is $14.79. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2025. In view of our Axies cost expectation 2025, the cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2030. As per our Axie Endlessness Coin Cost Expectation 2030, the Axie's crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axies may be around $50.43. Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie, however, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie Vastness. Axie Boundlessness Biological System is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axies is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital currency. Players can acquire the Axies crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token. NFT games have acquired huge ubiquity around the world. Consequently, this might help the general development of the Axie biological system and according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one perspective, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a feeling of major areas of strength for cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can claim the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie limitlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the limits of only the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Boundlessness, Axies, is set to make lives more enabled and quick. In a special manner, the Axie Boundlessness Convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of mediators. Axies totally centers around offering clients the advantage of effective information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, accordingly supporting its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. With a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767, Axie Endlessness's ongoing cost activity mirrors a good recuperation. The Axie Boundlessness's cost weights around $6.90, with an unequaled high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234, separately, in the crypto market. Axie Limitlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 116,939,046 Axies, and the pioneers behind Axie Vastness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Endlessness has a ton of vows to see for its fans, according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axies tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token remedied greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Be that as it may, the future cost of Axie Boundlessness, Axies, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Boundlessness still beneficial in 2023? Axie Vastness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was incredibly unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally troublesome. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers, as the market has been recuperating. Be that as it may, the recuperation of Axie Boundlessness was exceptionally present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axies holders might add more tokens to average their possessions, yet for new financial backers, it is a dangerous opportunity to enter the market. Be that as it may, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie endlessness shards. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2023. Our Axie Boundlessness Crypto Cost Expectation proposes that the symbolics cost could record a nice recuperation toward the finish of 2023. The Axie Endlessness's cost is determined to have a greatest worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axie's Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie Vastness Cost Forecast, the Axie coin will precede the upswing as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $17.31, while the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might acquire fair benefits in the year. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2025. Axie Limitlessness Axie in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16, while the base and greatest Axie Limitlessness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07 individually. In view of our Axie Vastness Coin Cost Forecast 2025, Axie Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Limitlessness gauge, the Axie coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie Endlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be colossal. Axie Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie Boundlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of Axie are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie Endlessness Coin Value Expectation 2028 is indicated by our Axie Vastness Forecast. The greatest worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie Boundlessness Coin Expectation 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $46.71. According to our Axie Endlessness Crypto Cost Forecast. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie Limitlessness, Axie, the base and normal costs might be around $32.45 and $39.58 individually. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2030. In view of Axie Coin Cost Expectation 2030, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $41.34, $59.51, and $50.43 separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axie may be outstanding.